Welcome back to our channel where we talk about all things finance. In today's video, we're going to talk about one of the most significant challenges in the economy, inflation. Understanding inflation. What you need to know. Inflation is the rise in prices of goods and services over time. When inflation happens, your money becomes worth less because you can buy fewer things with the same amount of money. So, how does inflation happen, and what causes it? Causes of inflation. There are several factors that can cause inflation. One of the most significant factors is an increase in the money supply. When there's more money in circulation, it becomes less valuable, and prices go up. Another factor that can cause inflation is an increase in demand. When there's more demand for goods and services, suppliers can increase their prices to meet the demand. Types of inflation. There are different types of inflation, and it's important to understand each one to understand how they impact the economy. Demand pull inflation. This type of inflation occurs when there's more demand for goods and services than the available supply, causing prices to increase. Cost push inflation. This type of inflation occurs when the cost of producing goods and services goes up, causing suppliers to increase their prices. Hyperinflation. This type of inflation is a severe form of inflation where prices rise rapidly and uncontrollably, often due to economic instability or political turmoil. Effects of inflation. Inflation can have significant effects on the economy and individual households. Let's take a look at some of the most notable impacts. Reduced purchasing power. Inflation reduces the purchasing power of money, which means you can buy fewer goods and services with the same amount of money. Reduced savings. Inflation can erode the value of savings, which means your money is worth less over time. Increased borrowing costs. When inflation occurs, interest rates often rise, which can make borrowing more expensive. How to protect yourself from inflation. While inflation can be challenging to control, there are ways you can protect yourself from its effects. Invest in assets that appreciate in value over time, such as real estate or stocks. Maintain a diversified investment portfolio to minimize risk. Consider purchasing goods and services that have a fixed price, such as bonds. Stay informed about inflation trends and adjust your financial strategy accordingly. In conclusion, inflation is a significant challenge in the economy that can impact households and businesses alike. Understanding the causes and effects of inflation is essential to making informed financial decisions and protecting your financial future. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more finance tips and advice.